Okay, this is how to complete this game. This is a Hangman style game. It's just Snowman themed. So down here, do you see where this green check mark is? This is where you're going to type the letters, not up here. So you're going to choose a letter. Say I choose A. You can hit enter or click on check the letter. Okay, so that one was in there. So let's check. This one, not in there. Do you see? Oh, sad. The snowman lost its nose. So let's check a different letter. Okay, that was there. Let's check a different letter. Okay, that is there. Do you think you might know what it is? I think I do. Hopefully you know it after this one. There we go. So click this again, check the letter. And look, now the snowman is all happy. Then you click this. It takes you to the next word. So you're going to practice through a bunch of different words. And there you have it. All right, this next activity is a sorting game. So do you see we have these colored terms? Those are our categories. So our categories are blood pressure, heart blood vessels, heart valves, heart chambers, and pulse. You could move them around wherever you want, and you're going to choose what terms here apply. So heart chambers, oh, that's a ventricle. So I'm going to put it with that. And there is no rule about how you have to set this up. It's just a way to move terms around and make connections. Okay. Okay, this next one is a matching game. So you should know matching game. You can see there are some options up here to turn the sound off, to show hide numbers, to show a timer. So if you want to see how fast you can do it, so maybe you want to time yourself. How fast can I complete this? And then try and beat your score. And let's see, show numbers. This just tells you how many cards there are. Also a way for you to remember which card is which. So that's kind of a little help if you want it. So what do I mean? You flip the cards over, and that did not match. So I'm going to flip. I flip cards over. Oh, this one right here, I know. So do you see how those came green? Okay, as I click the next one, those ones are going to go away. So what I want to do is get to the last pair. If you don't want the sound, turn the sound off. Leave the sound on. That's up to you. See the numbers? Don't see the numbers. That's up to you. Time yourself. Don't time yourself. That's up to you. This right here, reload. So I'm going to restart the game. And there you have it. Okay, and this last one I want to show you might be my favorite. It is the quiz show. So down here, let me show you. This is the ability to add or subtract a team. So if we are playing with up to 8 teams, or if you are playing by yourself and just want to score yourself, see if you can beat your score, go ahead. So let's pretend, though, that we have 3 teams. We also have 2 options down here. So this is reload, so restart it. This is click to shuffle the questions, and you could test to see if you really know it. But I think we'll just start in general. So you're going to click whatever question you want. So what is the major organ of the cardiovascular system? So you decide, do you know it or not? Say team 1 knew the answer. Team 2 knew the answer, but team 3 did not. I'm going to click. It's going to show the correct answer. I'm going to click again, and it is going to come back here to the beginning. All right, so this dot is indicating who's choosing. All right, so team 1 is going to pick again and say they go right here, and say this time team 1 got it wrong, team 2 got it wrong, but team 3 got it right. Click the answer is 100,000 times. Click again to go back. Now you can see this dot indicating it is now team 3's turn to choose. So it's keeping track of whose turn it is. It's keeping track of the score. You just have to indicate if the person got it right or wrong. So if you got it right or you got it wrong, okay, you can adjust your score accordingly. All right. If you need to adjust the score, you can see, you can click on it. So if you were testing yourself, you might not be able to add your score in until after. So you can easily just adjust the score afterward instead. All right. When you finish all of these, you click right here at the bottom. This is like Final Jeopardy, and there's going to be a final question. Okay. And this is would be adjustments here as well. That's it. This is how you play the quiz show game, and hopefully you like it.